You're awfully quiet.
I'm sorry. I didn't quite work out what I was going to say and how I was going to say it.
I see.
The truth is, I'm really nervous.
The lady who is normally bold and direct is nervous. Why?
This is not my strongest area.
What? Apologizing?
Yeah.
Well, that's a concerning reality.
It's just that I've never allowed myself to care that much.
A very arrogant stance to take.
Well, I guess it is.
People usually apologize when they feel them do something wrong. So you're saying you never feel like you have wronged anybody before?
That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is it's just hard to do. And sometimes people don't really think it's genuine.
Maybe because it's not. You have to genuinely feel bad about your actions to actually apologize and make it real. So if it's not real, please don't do it.
I really care. And I'm genuinely sorry. But all I ask is that you just give me some time to just gather myself. Please?
Okay.
Got me in the moment, you see. Come a little closer to me. It's the roller coaster. Ah, ah, ah. Don't feel defeated. I'll give you
So
more than I'll
that's the
give
bar.
you a reason.
That was just begin.
I can't find your love nowhere anymore. I wanted you to stay with me, to stay with me, to save me. I wanted you to stay with me wherever you go. Ooh, I can't pretend it, don't understand this.
Yeah, so this is it.
This is beautiful.
Thanks, I guess.
I had no idea something like this existed in your town.
That's what most of my visitors say, especially the locals, because your town is seen more of a farming village.
Exactly. That's what I know it for. Did you spearhead the project from start to finish?
No, you know, a colleague of mine had it, but he couldn't fund it. So I took it from him.
This is a gem.
Yeah, I'm still doing some renovations and upgrades.
So, how comes you've never mentioned this?
Yeah, sure I didn't. Because I thought I did.
You never did. If you did, I would have asked you to take me here to see this. This is my vibe.
Yeah, and the selling point is from the farm to the kitchen to the table.
That's an excellent concept.
I know. That's why I invested.